Lefant M500 robot vacuum cleaner and mop Wi-Fi connectivity, 1200 pascals strong suction, super quiet, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner, ideal for pet hair, carpets and hard floors. Free move technology, prevent the probability of getting stuck under kinds of furnitures, sofa, wire winding area and above 0. 39-inch threshold area, bathroom and kitchen in order to get the uninterrupted cleaning experience, almost fully automated, no need for human intervention. Unibody design. Unibody design makes the M500 mainframe stronger and reliable, and the free move technology let the M500 achieve with extremely high availability and ultra-low failure rate. Professional housekeeper, quiet yet powerful 3-stage cleaning system. 1200 pascals strong suction eliminates dust, dirt, hair, fur and debris while being friendly with hardwood floors and carpets.